Popcorn Depot here. It's your boy BigStacey. They got, how many flavors y'all got? Over 300 flavors of popcorn.
To 80 out at a time, only because of our spacing. So we make our popcorn every day. We
making popcorn every day. And I'm tasting vinegar and salt. I already tried the Zebra and the Windy City. And this is vinegar and salt. I don't know. I don't know about the vinegar and salt. Oh, I don't know about the vinegar and salt.
Is it too strong?
Well, I mean, it tastes like vinegar and salt. But it's just different on popcorn than chips. I might better try something more sweet. I don't know.
Sweet.
Yeah, I might. Let me just look for a minute. Cookies and cream? Y'all got cookies and cream?
Yes, we do. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah,
Good, you're back, I see.
Yes, I am.
That's perfect our popcorn.
Yeah. How you like the popcorn over here?
It's fantastic.
What flavor you like?
I really like the cheese and Twix.
Twix?
Yes. And cheddar and jalapeno is awesome.
What?
Yes.
I believe I'm gonna have to try the Twix.
The Twix is amazing.
I believe I'm
it
gonna
has
have to...
real Twix bars in it. You know what I bought last time?
Yeah.
Caramel and bacon.
Oh,
and
no.
It has real bacon in it.
Caramel and bacon.
Caramel and bacon. It was good.
I told you.
Golly.
Because I thought it was bacon flavor. Then I started eating it and there was
real bacon in it.
Yeah.
You said something sweet.
What is that?
White chocolate and caramel. Just the white chocolate.
What happened to the Twix?
Sure.
What happened to the Twix? You got M&M's.
Twix is amazing. Ooh, I didn't see M&M's. Where's M&M's?
M&M right behind them.
Caramel peanuts and M&M's. Caramel peanut M&M's.
What is that? White chocolate and caramel.
Thank you.
We
God.
got Kit Kat. We have strawberry and cream.
What's that? Tutti Frutti?
Tutti Frutti, yes. The kids love that. It's basically like banana, strawberry, watermelon.
What's
all
that?
in one. Twix.
Okay. Yeah. It's the Twix, y'all. And she's spilling my Twix all over the floor. Come on now, I can't eat them off the floor.
That is good.
Twix is.
Very good.
All right, y'all, the Twix. I like Twix. I think I'm gonna get some Twix. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a Twix. So the price is on it.
That would be under decadent.
Well, let me go with a mini. So what does a mini look like? Okay, that's good. I know I bring my son up here, he's gonna go crazy.
How old is he?
14.
Oh, yeah. My son's 22. And
Yeah.
every time we come in here, he's like, I want Twix.
Yeah. And this is the Popcorn Depot up in Douglasville, Georgia. Come holler at your girl. What's your name?
Destiny.
Destiny. Come holler at my girl Destiny. Get you hooked up on some popcorn over here, all right? It's your boy.